ou dit congratulations twòp. Je dis m'pote pour quelques autres façons ou capable féliciter un monde en anglais sans que ou pas dit congratulations. Ou capable dire way to go.
Way to go.
Way to go, Tanner!
Way to go!
Way to go, Zillion!
Way to go!
Way to go.
Way to go,
Way to go.
Way to go.
Way to go!
Way to go!
Way to go.
Way to go, Butterfingers.
Number 2, ou capable dire hats off ou bien hats off to you.
Hats off!
Wow! Hats off for that!
Hats off!
Hats off.
Hats off!
Hats off!
Hats off to you.
Hats off!
Hats off.
Hats off to you!
Number 3, ou capable dire kudos.
Oh, kudos.
Kudos.
Kudos! Kudos!
The participation tonight, so kudos all of you.
Kudos.
Kudos!
Kudos!
Well, kudos.
Kudos.
Kudos!
Kudos.
Well, kudos.
Kudos!
Kudos.
Whoa! Bonus round. Kudos.
Kudos to you.
Kudos!
Kudos.
Number 4, ou capable dire nice going.
Nice going, man.
Nice going.
Nice going! Nice going!
Oh, nice going!
Nice going! Nice going!
Nice going.
Nice going.
Nice going!
Nice going!
Number 5, ou capable dire props to you.
Wow, Franny, props to you!
Props to you.
Props to you!
That still ain't easy. So, props to you.
Oh, props to you, Zillion.
Props to you!
Props to you.
Number 6, ou capable dire right on.
Right on! Right on!
Right on!
Right on.
Right on!
Number 7, you can say well done.
Well done!
Well done.
Well done, George. Great stuff.
Well done!
Number 8, ou capable dire you rock.
You rock! You rock!
Number 9, ou capable dire you did it.
You did it! I knew you could! You did it! I knew you could!
Number 10, ou capable dire you nailed it.
You nailed it! You nailed it!
Number 11, you can say good job.
Good job!
Good job! Good job! Good job!
Number 12, ou capable dire great work.
Great work.
Everybody. Great work.
Great work.
Everybody. Great work.
Number 13, ou capable dire bravo.
Bravo! Bravo!
Tout ça c'est façon capable féliciter moun en anglais. Si que vous connaissez l'autre façon, ou capable quitter l'espace commentaire parce que si m't'a prend ba nous là, moi était capable pas fini avec vidéo. Pas oublier aller sur Play Store ou bien App Store, écrit langage pour capable télécharger application ça qui en créole qui permet d'apprendre anglais, espagnol, portugais, français, surtout avec traduction créole là. N'a croisé pour l'autre vidéo.